So the next one we have sleep. So sleep means robala. Sleep means robala. I am sleeping, ke a robala. I am sleeping, ke a robala. Sleep means robala. The next one we have watch. Watch means bogela. Watch means bogela. I am watching. I am watching a TV. Ke bogetse TV. I am watching TV. Ke bogetse TV. The next one we have listen. So listen means theater. Listen means theater. I am listening. Ke theditše. 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 The next one we have walk. Walk means sepela. Walk means sepela. I am walking. Ke a sepela. I am walking. Ke a sepela. The next one we have run. Run means kitima. Run means kitima. I am running. Ke a kitima. I am running. Ke a kitima. Run means kitima. So the next one we have learn. So learn means ituta. Learn means ituta. I am learning. Ke a ituta. I am learning. Ke a ituta. Learn means ituta. Learn means ituta. I am learning. Ke a ituta. The next one we have stand. So stand means ema. Stand means ema. I am standing. Ke eme. I am standing. Ke eme. Ema means stand. Stand means ema. Stand means ema. I am standing. Ke eme. So the next one we have jump. So jump means fofa. Jump means fofa. I am jumping. Ke a fofa. I am jumping. Ke a fofa. Jump means fofa. So the next one we have climb. So climb means namela. I am climbing a tree. Ke namela mohlare. I am climbing a tree. Ke namela mohlare. Climb means namela. Climb means namela. So that's it for our today's video. Stay tuned for more stupid lessons.